like Makhmadruzi Iskandarov, fought for Rakhmonov, like Gafar Sadoy, gave Emomali Rakhmonov the main task, like Sangak Safarov and Faisali Saidov, and others. What did Rakhmonov do to these people in response? These people were imprisoned and even killed as a result of bankruptcy. I will also say that every time Rakhmonov goes to the Sugd region, his mood in everyone flees. Rakhmonov says that the only peaceful place is Sugd, prosperous and beautiful. But when Katlan leaves, he only drinks. No progress. Theft, fraud, robbery. When he demands, the leaders say, "Your relatives have all been robbed. Oh, where is the prosperity?" Rakhmon can give nothing to his relatives. Father-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law. There is only one thing left: to drink and drink. Dangara does not want to leave at all. His cousin has ruined everything. Resignation from office. He is torturing people. There has been no water in the villages of Dangara for over 30 years. In general, the Katlan region is in the most shameful state. Rakhmon's sons-in-law are robbing the entire financial sector. It seems that Rustam has been under control for several years. But even now, every year, the Azizmo brothers and relatives of the newspaper steal billions. Ozodai Rakhmon, head of the administration of the president of Tajikistan, the second daughter of Emomali Rakhmonov's 7 daughters, built a very beautiful hotel on one of the islands of the Norak Reservoir. There is a dispute between Islam and Azoda over part of the Norak Island. Sebistan built a tunnel here, and the water goes to Dangara. According to them, state enterprises are located there. Sebistan watered. The motors were watering. He watered the Sebistan community. They took it to the other side for their gardens. Now the motors are working on them, but these clamps remain dry. About 10,000 people were left without water. Since the day they received them, the pumps no longer supply water to people. People looked at the river and washed themselves. One person said that it seems that Rakhmonov Islam took the son of his brother from the chairman of the Dangara district, and that he himself will go and open some facilities. The chairman of the rural community of Sebistan, Nazarov Fakhreddin, speaks during the election campaign and says that the president is outraged by such work of Islam Nuruddin and therefore will remove him from office. The daughter of the maternal aunt of Fakhreddin, the head of the Sebistan rural community, is the wife of Haji Amon. And Haji Amon said this in his memoirs. Mayram Honorable Brother Muhammad Iqbal. Just a few days ago, I was sitting with one of our neighbors.